Hello. In this tutorial, I will show you how to use the Disable Entry Storing in WordPress Database feature in bitform. Let's begin. First, click on your form name. Navigate to the Settings section. Then enable the Disable Entry Storing in WordPress Database option. Then click on the Update button. Now, if you submit a form, your form submission data will not be stored in the form responses. Let's submit a form. The form has been submitted successfully. Then get back to the form settings and check the responses. Now click on the refresh icon. Your form submission data is not saved here because the Disable Entry Storing in WordPress Database option is enabled. So return to the form settings. Then disable this option. Now click on the Update button. Let's submit a form again. Then go to the Settings section and check the responses. Now, you can see that your form submission data is stored here. That's all for this tutorial. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.